Hey, it's Tim. 96 Ford Escort. Gonna restore this thing. We're gonna fix this trim here. Look at the inside of this. What I found. Absolutely perfect inside. Perfect there, headliner, dash, everything is perfect. It's an LX, got a little spoiler on it. But it does have one problem. I was told it was just a head gasket. Well, it ain't just a head gasket. Somebody has obviously dropped something in cylinder 4. Because we got awful pit marks. Now the piston I'm not too worried about. I'm not too worried about that much. But when you come on over here to the head, I am worried about this part. So what am I gonna do? The rest of it's fine. I don't know yet. I might try that extreme heat JB weld and see if I can't smooth this out. I'm worried about that little piece right there. Worried about losing compression. But I have nothing to lose if I try it. And I can always put another engine in here. So, like I said, this is the next one I'm going to restore. If I have to get another engine, I got to get another engine, but I'm going to restore it. Well, we're going to try that, and I'll go through it with you tomorrow, or when we go get the JB weld extreme heat, and we're going to try that out and smooth all this up and put it back together and see if we got any compression on it. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe.